JJV Kapurthala. A huge round of applause for this presentation, first of all. So just like that, we have with us Mr. Thank you. We have with us Mr. Shashank Srivastava, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and of course the designer himself, JJ Valaya, with his beautiful, beautiful muse, Rashmika Mandana, and Jaspreet Chando, Head Rise Fashion and Lifestyle. I'll start with you, Mr. Srivastava. If you could just tell us the Nexa's collaborations always seamlessly integrate Nexa's hues with the brand ethos, with the designer's collection. How does it feel to see this collaboration come alive today?
Well, it's been really good, and in fact, this is the 12th edition of Lakme Fashion Week that Nexa is collaborating. Every time we bring a new designer, and we want to see the Nexa story, the ethos, the values of Nexa through the lens of that designer, his interpretation or her interpretation of those ethos. And this time we had, of course, JJ Valayaji, and he has his ethos is future of the past. That's what he told me when I met him in Delhi. And his creations is rooted in the tradition, but they are really they go very well with the modern thought, the modern the contemporary thinking. And I think in this next edition we did see, and it was beyond my expectation. Actually, it was more than my expectation, the way Valaya ji did his creations, build that story and of Nexa ethos in his entire design. So it's been fantastic.
Of course. Mr. Valaya, if you could tell us JJV Kapurthala, a little bit about that, this collaboration with Nexa, and of course having the National Crush of India walk for you as the showstopper today.
First of all, I want to tell you guys, you'll never see her with two Sardars again. So this is your opportunity to get a really rare picture. Flanking her, which is not a bad thought.
Let's seize the moment.
Well, this is actually a very special show for me, for various reasons. I'm showing in, I still call it Bombay. I'm showing in Bombay after nearly 10 years. We're showing this line for the first time in Mumbai. I've shown it perhaps on one of my most favorite persons, off late. And I've shown it with a brand which I have deep attachments, because my first car when I was a student was a second-hand Maruti, then a new one, then another new one, and finally, it moved on. But I have great connections. So I think what I loved was the fact that Nexa is very clear about the colors that they believe in. And surprisingly and thankfully, our sort of color palette really worked beautifully with theirs, and we could put together a collection which was in perfect harmony. So to me, that was a great sort of accomplishment. And then, of course, to show at this platform, this man's been extremely courteous since I've been here, but to be able to show in Mumbai after all these years is very special. And Rashmika, thank you. You were absolutely fabulous. I really couldn't have asked for anybody else.
Thank you. Before we move to Rashmika, Mr. Chando, if you could tell us, you've had a long-standing relationship with Nexa and of course Mr. Valaya as well. How does it feel to see both of them come together today and for this beautiful presentation?
So I just want to clarify, I have not had a long-standing relationship with Mr. Valaya. So 6 years back, I was working in Delhi, and I was not rated in the top Sardar, 6 years Sardar in Delhi. So I actually moved to Mumbai and ensured that JJ wouldn't show in Mumbai for 6 years, so I could actually be top of the pops. But now, but now we're doing better. But as much as I've not had a relationship with JJ, I have had a relationship with Nexa for the last 6 years, and from Fashion Week's perspective, and all our partners, which is Lakme, Rise, and the Fashion Design Council of India, I think it's important that we acknowledge the investment that Nexa brings to the table towards the Indian fashion industry. And I keep saying it in every opportunity that I get, that you can be a leverager of fashion, but if you're a true stakeholder of fashion, you actually drive the fashion industry forward, and that's what Nexa does in various ways through their interactions with the fashion week, and that's appreciated. What is really appreciated is the consistency of our partnership, and I think we've been through the pandemic together. Okay, and we've only come out stronger, both in both our industries, and we appreciate our partnerships. Thank you so much.
Yes, of course. Definitely waiting to hear from you, Rashmika. The look, the styling, the outfit, the makeup, everything is stunning. How do you feel? How does it feel to be the muse for this beautiful presentation that came out today?
Yes, today extremely special because it's my first time in Lakme Fashion Week, and to be a muse to JJ is full love because I have absolutely loved this gorgeous piece, and the second I saw it I was like, these are my two most favorite colors to wear and I'm like, yes, something in black. But full love, thank you sir, thank you. This has been really special. This is my first year, and this is going to be one of those memories which you can which is always going to be extremely close to your heart. Too many more, I completely agree. And I should definitely mention Nexa because I've just been seeing, of course, way before I came into the industry as well, and once I came into the industry, the influence they have and the deep connections they have with Indian fashion, it's amazing. So today I got to be in one, so I'm really grateful. Thank you so much, and thank you Lakme. Cheers to many more, and full love.
Thank you so much. This has been a great day. End to the day 3 of Lakme Fashion Week XFDCI. We'll just take a quick round of pictures again, and then we'll open the floor for a couple of questions. Yes.
On your right, sir. On your right, sir.
Look at the center.
On your right.
Yes, ma'am, look at the center. So look at the center.
We'll a couple of questions.
Maybe a question or two. Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. The question is for you, sir. If you can tell us more about your collection, the ornamentation, the fabric.
Well, I think the first thing is that my brand now is 32 years old and is primarily known for bridals. We've done couture always. So JJV Kapurthala is a sort of departure into a new energy, into a new domain with a cooler, more accessible sort of line. So personally, what excites me greatly is that I get a chance to do the most glorious clothes in couture and then do all the fun clothes in JJV. So I'm actually enjoying the best of both worlds. It's a bridge to luxury line. It's definitely occasion wear, but I don't do casual clothes. But the whole yearning was that why do brides and grooms only have to wear what we do, and they've been doing so for many years. We wanted more and more people to embrace the ethos and the DNA, and that's exactly what this brand's managed to achieve.
Anybody else?
Rashmika, whatever you are wearing today, is this an extension to your personality?
Extension to my personality? A personal styling? Well, I am in any of my choices in clothing, definitely my hand raises for a sari. And of course, when you look at this piece and the material, if you have to say so, it is so comfortable, it is so light, because generally when you wear bridal clothes, half the time you're walking with exhaustion. But this you can actually dance for 7 hours and you're still going to be cool with it. So I feel like it's one of those pieces, and hopefully I've carried it well, because it is such a gorgeous piece. The whole time I was just hoping, please make justice for this, please do the justice for this. But yes, thank you. I can't thank you enough.
Can we have a photo?
Yes.
कम आगे, कम फॉरवर्ड. जे just come forward. थोड़ा सा. Thank you. Yes, look. Yes.
On your right. On your right, sir. Everybody on your right, sir.
अरे होगा ऐसे ही होगा.
अरे ऐसे ही होएगा भाई. सोलो. रश्मिका. सोलो करेगी उसको आगे बुलाओ. Okay, काम. ले लो भाई. Okay,
On your right, on your right. Sir. Sir, what did
see you. रश्मिका सोलो.
चल ready.
जी.
चलो बाइट कर लो.
No, you only. एक मिनट. Yeah.
बस यही पकड़ना भाई.
Yes. Yes, रश्मिका.
चलो फोटो करते हैं. मैम लोग किया.
Yes. रश्मिका.
पहले बाइट हो जाने दो. उसके बाद सब करते हैं. मैं मारता हूँ फोन में.
बहुत ही स्पेशल था. I enjoyed it completely. I was very nervous initially, but fully enjoyed it because I'm in a extremely comfortable but beautiful attire, and yeah.
And how was the experience working for Lakme Fashion Week? Tell us something about your outfit,
Mr. Valaya as
and
well.
for
Yes.
sir also.
I think sir should start.
Yes, sir.
आप ही बोलिए और हिंदी में बोलिए.
हिंदी में
हिंदी.
ट्राई करूँगी.
कोशिश.
कोशिश करूँगी. मैं बहुत ही नर्वस था, लेकिन जब मैं स्टेज पे थी sorry.
English will work, trust me.
Yeah.
Just go with that.
Yes,
Yeah,
go with the flow.
Comfortable how you
Okay. Sweet. So when I just saw everyone and when I got everyone's energy, of course, it made me feel very comfortable, and I'm in Bombay, so it makes it very special. It's my first time here.
रश्मिका, बात करें फैशन की तो पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, साउथ में और बॉलीवुड में किसका फैशन लाइक करती हो सबसे ज़्यादा?
किसका फैशन लाइक करती हूँ? मतलब I can't pick out one name ना. That'll be very not cool, but I feel like we're headed the right way because I see a lot of us being very rooted in our culture, so I feel like that's very special and we should stay rooted in our culture.
रश्मिका, अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, किसी के खास स्टार के फैशन को बहुत.
He just asked
She
me
just
the same
asked the same question.
रश्मिका जी, फैशन की मैं बात करूँ, कोई ऐसी 3 चीज़ें जो आप हमेशा अपने साथ कैरी करते हो, जो आपको लगे कि these are the 3
essentials.
yes, 3 important things.
Sweatshirt, joggers, chappals.
I'm out of business. If I get more like you,
Sir,
I'm done.
सर, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे आज रश्मिका जी के आउटफिट के बारे में? थोड़ा वो आप बताइए.
मतलब मैंने बनाई है तो मुझे बड़ी पसंद है. You know, so that is definitely a part of that. But I think मैं हमेशा मानता हूँ कि आउटफिट बाद में आती है, लेकिन जो पहनता है she or he makes the outfit. So she's done a brilliant job.
Love.
Always.
Okay, I think we're good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll just do a couple of one-on-ones if we have. Okay, cool. All right.
Pushpa 2.
She just had a couple of questions.
अभी शूट शुरू हुई है तो सुन.
रश्मिका जी, कोई आने वाले समय में कौन सा बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट देखने मिलेगा और कौन से ऐसे सितारे के साथ आप
All
काम
my
करेंगे?
films, what I do is big for Mia. So soon the announcements will come. So soon, of course, when the production house says it, you'll know. Thank you.
रश्मिका जी, एक सवाल. हाल ही के एक इंटरव्यू में रणबीर कपूर ने कहा था कि आपके साथ फिल्म करना चाहेगी. आप इस पे क्या जवाब देना चाहोगे? रणबीर कपूर जी ने इच्छा जताई थी.
Oh, this is very special. Animal is going really well. I'm very excited for the release of it. So look forward to it.
He has an asked question. He just has one question.
चलो भाई.